What's the difference between accounts payable and accounts receivable? In understandable terms, we address that issue in this very short video. Welcome to Accounts Payable Soundbites, the program where we share tips and explain simple and complex accounts payable issues in short, concise soundbites. Okay, very simply put, and I have to confess this comes from my husband, the difference between accounts payable and accounts receivable is one is cash in, which is accounts receivable, and one is cash out, which is accounts payable. Now let's get a little bit more precise. Accounts payable, often called for obvious reasons, AP, is the money your organization owes others for goods and services already received. Think of it like your credit card bill for items you've already purchased and brought home and are using, maybe your electric bill for the electricity that you've actually used, or perhaps even a bill from your doctor for that last visit to his office or her office. Now, before we get to accounts receivable and our little description, I'd like to invite you to subscribe. It's completely private, it's free, and you can unsubscribe at any time. By ringing that bell next to the subscribe button on YouTube, you'll be notified when we post new content, which we do 2 or 3 times a week. And by the way, you don't need to have a YouTube account to subscribe. You can subscribe if you have a Gmail account on YouTube anyway. Okay, accounts receivable is exactly the opposite. You probably won't be surprised to learn that it's often referred to as AR. Most individuals don't have AR except perhaps for your paycheck your boss may owe you for the days that you've already worked and perhaps some accrued vacation time that you haven't been paid for. Contrarily, most but not all companies have a lot of AR. Whenever they ship goods or deliver services and then bill afterwards, they are creating accounts receivable or AR. Those amounts stay on the account until the invoice or the bill is paid, or in some extreme cases, unfortunately, when the company writes it off as bad debt. There's one other issue related to AP that we think you might be interested in. Often companies have cash hidden in their AP assets and they don't know about it. This is discussed in soundbite number 61. A link will be in the show notes below, and on YouTube, a link will appear momentarily to the left. And as always, we appreciate those comments, those thumbs up, those subscribes, and those shares. Good luck.